So we're going to have this old down white coffee. Yeah, I mentioned to you before that this one is a product of Malaysia, and I actually like this more than the Filipino Nescafe 3 in 1. Yeah. Yeah, the Filipino 3 in 1 coffee, they are very sweet. Yeah. This one is just right. So this is the box of my earbuds, and this is the extra padding. What do you call that? I don't know. USB charger, USB-C charger, and yeah, these two more extra. I actually have one more thing in here. This is the one. Yeah, John sent it to me. Oh, what is this one? Yeah, let's have a look at in here. Nice. Yeah, this is just nicely fit in me because I am going to the wedding of John in Canberra. I am editing a video, and you notice that it's already almost 6 o'clock. Yeah, 10 minutes to 6 o'clock, and outside is already dark. Yeah, because of the, if you remember, 2 days or 3 days ago is the time saving adjustment, and now I'm cooking, preparing this a hot dog and egg, actually scrambled. And I'm going to eat it while watching the news. Yeah, I will not do that. I will do that tomorrow. The rest of my clothes. I already have my others outside. Oh yeah, it's already 10 o'clock. Yeah, my journey today is 2 o'clock. And I'm now preparing my meal. And it's going to be this one, this frozen prawn. Yeah, this is coming from Janet and the family. Oh, it is getting dry now. Let's also put some of this frozen beans. And I'm going to put some of this Thai green curry. And I'm going to put a little bit of this chili. I put everything in here. I don't know what I'm going to eat tonight when I get home. Yo, we are going to work now. 2 o'clock is my duty today. Oh, you will really notice that the big tree in that middle is gone already. Yeah, last month during the storm. Yeah, it's just so good inside there. Yeah, there's no heat of the sun. Covered with the trees. Nice. And now I am on the road and will be hot. Yeah, so much exposure to the sun really helps to make a body skin. I agree, I believe to that. Okay, we'll just sit here for a little bit. 1:15 when I left the house, and it is now 1:33. Yeah. Yo, good morning guys. It is already 10:05. I just received a call from Inigo. So basically we have there is a new lady in our workplace. She's a Filipina, and she invited us to go to the birthday of her daughter. And I forgot the date. Actually, it's today. Inigo just reminded me. And so Inigo is going to pick me up by 11 o'clock. My duty today is 2 o'clock. Yeah, the birthday party is 12. I am expecting a Filipino food, but I'm not really sure because yeah, Christine is the name of the new lady, and she said that, oh, I don't cook Filipino food. If I'm not mistaken, she is a supervisor or manager in that in our restaurant. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is what I got. This is a gift for her, for the kids, for the baby. No, 7 years old. Yeah, I'm now here by myself in Coles. I'm going to take this chance to buy heavy items like laundry soap. I took this too. I don't know where is the Carpinago. Oh, McDonald's, they are hiring. Yeah, most of the shop restaurant are continuous hiring here in Australia. But of course you must be here because not all of the company here are sponsoring people. Na rin ngayon sa Laguna eh. Ngayon ay saan kayo nagbigay sa'yo?
Bakit? Thanks for coming, Robert!
Can you tell me what is this kind of machine?
This is a smoker.
Smoker?
Yeah. It's like a smoker.
Looks like a time machine.
This is a Heston Blumen. He's a chef. Pakita mo. That's the brand.
Oh, look at those. There are some chicken.
Tomorrow, so this is the brisket. So it's still cooking. It's got a long way to go yet.
So that's
Another 9 hours to go.
I don't know how to drink this. Maybe I need this spoon. So yeah, that's Divina. She's also going to work. That's why we left already. I actually leave Inigo in there. Inigo is still chatting with the husband of Christine. Just changed and I am ready to go to work. My duty today is 2 o'clock. So I still have less than 30 minutes. And I'm not going to bring this camera because I won't be able to vlog in the night. I will see you tomorrow. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, already 8:20. I am preparing my breakfast and it's going to be this sausage. This, we call it hot dog because I'm going to make a fried rice. This leftover one. And I'm also doing my laundry at the moment. It is noisy, you can hear it. Outside is really good. Yeah, sunny and actually also windy. A little cold this time. I don't know the temperature. Yeah, it's less than 20 degrees. Nico is here. He's cooking something vegetable meat.
The marker that I'm holding now is what we call a starboard hand out for a mark. It's green and it's identified by colour shape.
Baka hindi alam yung chef mat natin ang dito.
Nakutot nga kami. Sabi ba kasi ba? Kaya kain doon.
Oh, this one is fish. Tuna. It's a really big fish. Chef Matt caught it in the with the just fish by fishing rod.
18 kilos.
18 kilos of tuna. Yeah, I remember maybe 5 nights ago. Yeah, he came to our workplace. We are busy, and he show us the big fish, and this for the process. Yo, we are going to work now. No, it's very windy, also cold. Yeah, when I wake up this morning, I open the door and I feel the coldness temperature. Yeah, you also notice that the water, there are some small waves that the water is going to that direction. Yeah. Okay, we go. Already 1:20 when I left the house, and my duty today is 2 o'clock. Okay, we're just going to stay here for a little bit. Maybe we still have around 20 minutes. So we're just going to drink a little bit of this. And this is how it is at the moment. There are some kids. They are doing their kayak. Also kids paddleboarding against the wind. They are having a hard time to come in. Those kids are actually staying in that big house, vacation house. Okay, we go. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now 6:30 and I'm going to work. Rafael just called me. He asked me to come to work because one of the breakfast guy is sick. Yeah, that's why I'm going to work now. Supposed to be I'll be working at 2 o'clock. Yeah, 6:30 when I left the house. And yeah, it is cold. And you notice that the sun is totally rise. Yeah, because of the time saving adjustment that happened just last week. And so the sun is really high up this time. And the good thing is I will be day off tomorrow. So I will have a long day off. After 2 o'clock tonight, I am this afternoon I am free. Yo, we are going home now. Yeah, that was a very quick 7.5 hours of work. Good afternoon. So when I arrived this morning, they are actually 3. And I thought Jay didn't come to work, but he actually come. But he's not feeling well, so he's working while it's not feeling well. So when I arrived, Jay left, and yeah, I continue what he was doing. Yeah, and that was very quick. Now I am going home, and we are going home right away because Rafael said we are going to eat in my apartment. He has pork nilaga, a pork sinigang in his house. He's going to bring it to my house. I just need to cook rice. From inside and there, I maybe say 25 times of good afternoon. Yeah, to all the people that I've seen along the way. We're going this way now. Yeah, so Rafael just left. Yeah, the pork sinigang that he brought here was really good. It tastes really like a Filipino, like in the Philippines. Nice. Next time I am also going to cook something like that. Yeah, and when I cook that, I'm going to look in the proper recipe. I'm going to do it the right way. And actually, we didn't wait for this to cook. We eat the leftover from yesterday.